Hi, this is Akash, and you are watching video to learn VLOOKUP function basics. VLOOKUP is one of the most famous and in-demand Excel function, which simply used to get data from a table by looking an in-hand value. Please watch this video completely. Let's learn. This function has four arguments or four elements, which separated by a comma. Lookup value means what to find. Table array means range where you want to look up the value and return a corresponding value. Call index num means column number of the column who have corresponding return value. Range lookup means how to match exact or approximate. Default is approximate, that is 1 or 2. Let's have some concepts how VLOOKUP works. Suppose we are searching net per pack price of eraser. In first argument, we will define this cell address where the value to be searched is mentioned. In second argument, give range of cells. This range. VLOOKUP finds first argument value in first column of this given range. This range should also cover the column where from corresponding value is to be returned. In the third argument, give column sequence number within the given range, left to right, from where the corresponding value will be returned. In this case, 6 will be given. First column, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. In third column, we will assign 6. In fourth argument, that is match type, write true for approximate match type and false for exact match. In our case, as we are searching a text for which we need exact match, we will define false here. I am sure this part will give clarity on how VLOOKUP works. If the data have 4 to 5 or 10 rows, you can easily find required value. For example, we need discount value of ball pen. This is easily found. But imagine if we have hundreds of records and many columns here. In this situation, VLOOKUP help us. Let's start practical of it. We look up first argument, lookup value, this cell, table array, comma, column index, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, comma, exact match, bracket close. This is how you can write basic VLOOKUP function with commonly used exact match type. If you want to learn basics of VLOOKUP function in detail, please check the link given in description of this video. While using VLOOKUP function, please remember these points. Let's see some common errors while using VLOOKUP. Let's check the formula. It is correct. Check lookup value. It have a space at the end. Check data. It doesn't have a space. Just delete the space in lookup value and press enter. Now formula is working correctly and returning correct corresponding value. Now copying the formula into next row. It is showing error. Check the formula. The table array is covering wrong area. Whole block is changed to one row down. We will fix it by using absolute cell references, so the cell references cannot be changed while copying. Writing $sign in cell addresses. Now copying. No error showing, and formula returning correct value. Table array is covering right area. Now copy the formula one more row down. Check the formula. Formula is okay. Range is okay. Check the value. Marker correctly written. In our data, marker is not found. That's why it is giving error. We have seen three types of common errors and watched what are the corrective measures to return the correct value. We can hide these error messages by using if-error function. Please check links given in description. If you remember these errors and their preventions, you can write your VLOOKUP formula easily.